My name is Petra Němcová, and I'm the co-founder of All Hands and Hearts, a relief organization which comes in early after natural disasters, and we stay late to rebuild schools and homes. The beauty of life is sharing love with others, helping them to give them hope, uplifting them with words. For me, the true beauty comes from within, because when we are happy, we radiate. The highest point in my career, that's when the tsunami happened, and everything changed. Even if I lost my partner and I had pelvis broken in 4 places, I was still lucky because I had family to go to, I had a home to go to. When I was in a hospital and healing from my injuries, all I wanted to do, literally day 2, I wanted to go and help those who lost everything. But I couldn't move, I couldn't even sit down, I had to be flat. Once I was able to walk again, I went with my sister and a few friends back to Thailand to see what's the biggest need. In my life, I have many roles. As a model, within the charity, I'm on the ground one day with children or volunteers. Other day, I am representing All Hands and Hearts at a conference. I may be organizing a gala dinner with our team, so every day is different. I have to radiate certain confidence, and makeup gives me that. I wish that every woman can have the opportunity to trust herself, and not just trust herself, but follow her dreams, no matter how small or big they are, because every woman deserves to fulfill her full potential. Seeing that you're making somebody's lives better is such a joy and gift, and it means that you're living a life of purpose. I get immense fulfillment knowing that all of us together, we are making such a huge difference in the lives of individuals, families, communities, and future generations.